Hello guys, the question here is factorize am plus bn minus an minus bn. Okay, as we are solving this question, I will advise that, okay, after you must have seen it, you can close your shut your connection down, then take your book and do the answer and do the solution yourself. Okay, go through it again. So that is how it become part of you. So for this now, you have factorize. So when you say factorize, okay, you have your am plus bn minus an minus what? Bn. It's as simple as that. So you have your am plus what? Bn minus an minus what? Bn. So if you look at this very well, am b minus bm, something is common. You have bring them together. You are rearranging. Okay, am minus what? Bm plus what? Bn minus what? An. What did you do here? You rearrange. I've told you, anything on the right hand side is the owner of the sign. What is the owner of this sign here? Bm is the owner of this minus. So that is why it's moving to this side. So I'm rearranging it. Am, there's always positive here, but we don't write it. It does not make any sense in mathematics. Okay, so that is am, okay, minus this what? Bn. Bn here is the owner of this plus sign. That is why you see it's plus Bn. Minus here, an is the owner of this minus here. That's why you're seeing it here, minus an. I'm rearranging. There's no equal sign. I'm only just rearranging. Okay, I rearrange because I could see that m is common. Okay, n is also common. So what can I do here? M is common. I'll bring m out. Okay, it will remain a minus what? B. What am I doing? I'm factorizing. If you know you cannot touch base with this kind of question, please go through all the parts under factorization. Okay, it will give you an easy access, an easy way for you to solve questions under factorization. Okay, so you can see that from here that is common. I have a minus b. M times a is what? Am. M times b is what? Bm. Okay, the same thing. So now from here, what I have here under factorization, if you've gone through it, what you have here must also replicate on the other side of what you are also simplifying. Okay, so it means that at the end of the day, I must have a minus b here. So the question is, what will now be outside here? Okay, so if you look at this very well, if you look at this very well, if you look at this very well, n is what? N is common. Okay, I first bring the n out. N is what? Is common. I'll bring it out. Now, if you look at it very well, we are factorizing. N is common. I'll bring the n out. A minus b must also be repeated here. That is factorization for you. Go and check all factorization that we've done in all our parts. They must repeat itself. Okay, what you have here must also be here. Now, the question you need to ask yourself, n times a will give us what? An. But you don't forget that this one has minus an. So don't forget the sign. So what I need to do is just to put my minus here. Okay, that's n times a is an. The minus times plus is what? Minus an. Do you see it now? Minus n times a is what? A minus an. So minus times minus is what? Plus. Then n times b is what? Bn. Don't get confused. Very simple. A minus b you have here must be repeated here. Now the question I need to ask myself, what is common here? N is common. I bring it out. Okay. But if I multiply n times a, it will not give me the sign here, which is minus. That was why I had to put minus here. Okay. And minus times minus will give me plus. So I will still have my bn back. Okay, that is simple. It's just logical. And I've mentioned this under sort, how you can multiply sign and sign together. Please go through them. Go through all those parts. They are not just there for us to show ourselves. They are there for you to learn, for you to easily learn at your comfort zone. Okay, so please go through them. It's very, very important. Okay, so it means that at the end of the day, for factorization, therefore I can now have m minus n, a minus what? Minus n. Okay, So this one with this one, okay, then you pick one of this that is factorized. So it means I've been able to factorize this, easily. Okay, it's very, very simple. Just need to sit down and look at it very well and listen to it. So all I just need to do is just to go to the option and pick the one that has m minus n and what a minus b. Continue to like, continue to share, continue to comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheers. Thank you.